Have you ever watched a wild animal and thought, wait, that's not how this is supposed to go? Out in nature, things don't always follow the rules we expect. In this video, you'll see moments where animals flip the script, acting in ways that seem completely out of character. Some are funny, some are shocking, and one moment in particular will make you question everything you thought you knew about instinct and survival. These are wild animals caught on camera doing the totally unexpected. If your mom nags about your room 24/7, do not play this clip. This chimp watched humans long enough and said, "Fine, I'll clean it myself." Red pandas try to look scary when they stand. Unfortunately, it only makes them 10 times more adorable. If you ever meet a bear, solid walls are your best friend. But this poor camper only had a tent and a front row seat to a midnight horror show. This monkey just unlocked emotional damage when he realized his longtime human mom came back like it's a surprise reunion episode. Meanwhile, this little guy just unlocked the tutorial level and is starting to get it.
Say cheese. You sent this on your family group.
Goes from catch me if you can to hold me please real quick. This horse has a PhD in sarcasm and isn't afraid to use it. This chimp picked up walking upright just by watching humans. Give it a few years and he'll be stressing over deadlines and rent. If that rhino had its way, this would have turned into a demolition show. Luckily, the guide shut it down early.
Lovely stuff. Come to me.
Their brains are buffering right now. What is that thing? Honestly, this orangutan has cleaner hands than most people I know. Embarrassing. One casual nudge from this rhino turned a car into a toy, proving these beasts are built like armored tanks and don't negotiate parking disputes.
These animals really are until you see one up close. They truly are nature's four-legged armored battle tanks. The scariest part is that the rhino didn't even have to gain momentum or even lift the head too much to ragdoll the car like it was a beach ball. Thankfully, the driver inside wasn't injured, but I'm sure he will think twice before arguing with a rhino over a parking spot again.
Fireworks scared Dora so bad she hit Olympic-level fence clearance and vanished. Her family went full search mode, checking everywhere short of Mars. Weeks passed, hope got shaky, but they never quit. And guess what? After 7 months of street life, Dora comes back like nothing happened. And over at the Tokyo Zoo, this orangutan isn't just wiping his face, he's doing the full spa routine. Dip, wring, and refresh like a seasoned human. Right in front of everyone, this raccoon robbed the cat's bowl like a cartoon bandit, paused to wash its hands, then bolted. Polite criminal behavior.
This sucker up here, there is a big eagle. Let's see if he gets it. He'll even dive into the water for it. Two. Come on, get ready. Here he comes. Wait till he does another lap. Here he comes. Oh! How good is that?
He got his mouth.
Well, it's heavy. He's getting there. It is a heavy fish. It's a big fish. Oh.
When your meal suddenly decides it wants a shot at America's Got Talent.
Oh, He's climbing slow.
This guy treated a gator like it was friendly. The gator disagreed. Good thing an expert stepped in before things got crunchy. This circus monkey isn't just hugging, he's holding on like rent is due.
One year, and now she's.
Turns out Miro, the volunteer who actually treats him like a king, is his favorite human. But when it's time to hand him back to the owner, yeah, this monkey said, "I'm not emotionally available for this goodbye."
Is he scratching or he's okay? Oh, boy.
This adorable 3-year-old elephant in China just discovered the ultimate hack, turning hills into slides. And now the whole squad showed up. Turns out it's a full-on muddy slide party. I've seen a lot, but a raccoon hugging a deer? Yeah, that's a first.
Wow. Ui. Đang đó. Không. Ui. Lan anh ấy. Ui, thiệp na với tê thì nữa.
This tiny trunk troublemaker keeps sparring with his caretaker like it's part of his daily workout routine. Don't underestimate them. These tiny creatures just formed a squad to grab the prize.
Where did this?
Half Uber, half drama queen. Welcome to the world of camels. These tigers rolled up like, what's this buffet on wheels? But after a quick stare down, they decided to skip the human menu. This tiny tuxedo bird popping bubbles like a pro. A hippo weighs about 1.5 tons, so when this one slammed into the car, it basically delivered a full-speed freight train experience.
Shit! Shit! Oh, shit! Oh, shit! Oh, shit!
A family on safari thought their car was a safe zone until the lions disagreed. Lesson learned, lock your doors.
I know.
Luckily, the passengers slammed it shut just in time.
Lock the door. Oh my gosh, I didn't know they could do that.
A hippo gave these researchers a VIP too close experience, and they wisely chose the run now, think later strategy. You go swimming for peace and end up in a surprise meet and greet with a massive snake. Welcome to the Philippines, I guess. Every hiker's nightmare showed up in real life when this Californian almost bumped into a mountain lion and unlocked instant cardio mode. Two years apart? That's like 14 emotional dog years for Casey. So when she saw her owner again, her brain said, best day ever, and her body said, shutting down.
Is she okay, by the way?
She fainted from pure joy, but she's totally okay, just dramatically happy.
told her she doesn't get anything.
Canadian kindness, just upgraded with antlers that need their own parking space. They can't decide if it's love or war. But funny enough, all that barking disappears the moment the gate's gone.
Woods? What do you have?
I don't know what it is.
How in the world did you catch that?
I think it's injured. Walking down the
Not your typical besties, just a kid and a vulture rewriting the friendship rulebook.
Then I got hold of it and I pulled it to me.
Yeah, it's not you.
If you've got goats at home, you might want to upgrade your locks. Turns out they're low-key professional lock pickers. Who knew?
She did it. You're so naughty.
One call and boom, his elephant squad pulls up. He raised them, so now they surround him like bodyguards with trunks, flapping ears and saying, "Yep, he's one of us." Try getting that kind of respect from humans. If you enjoyed these wild and unexpected moments, make sure to like and subscribe for more. Don't miss out. Hit the notification bell so you never miss the next video. And go ahead, watch the next video on your screen. You won't believe what happens next.